The Vitamin C Showdown Kiwi versus Orange. In this exciting comparison, we will delve deep into the nutritional profiles of these two popular fruits. Both kiwi and orange are celebrated for their high vitamin C content. But which one truly reigns supreme? Let's find out. Is kiwi better than oranges for vitamin C? This is a question that has intrigued nutritionists and health enthusiasts alike for years. While both fruits are packed with essential nutrients, their vitamin C content is often the focal point of this debate. This is a question many health-conscious individuals ask. When you walk through the aisles of a grocery store or a bustling market, the vibrant colors of kiwis and oranges catch your eye. But beyond their appealing looks, what do these fruits offer in terms of health benefits? Both fruits are known for their tangy taste and impressive nutrient profiles. Kiwis, with their bright green flesh speckled with tiny black seeds, offer a unique flavor that's both sweet and tart. Oranges, on the other hand, are juicy and refreshing, making them a favorite for many. They are excellent sources of vitamin C, a vital nutrient for our well-being. Vitamin C is essential for the growth, development, and repair of all body tissues. It's involved in many body functions, including the formation of collagen, absorption of iron, the immune system, wound healing, and the maintenance of cartilage, bones, and teeth. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is a powerful antioxidant. It helps protect cells from the damage caused by free radicals, which are compounds formed when our bodies convert the food we eat into energy. Free radicals can also come from external sources like air pollution, cigarette smoke, and ultraviolet light from the sun. Our bodies cannot produce it, so we must obtain it through our diet. This makes it crucial to include vitamin C-rich foods in our daily meals. Both kiwis and oranges are excellent choices, but how do they compare in terms of their vitamin C content? Vitamin C plays a crucial role in various bodily functions. It aids in the production of collagen, which is necessary for the health of our skin, blood vessels, bones, and connective tissue. Additionally, it enhances the absorption of iron from plant-based foods and helps the immune system work properly to protect the body from disease. It boosts our immune systems, protects against cell damage, and aids in collagen production. Regular intake of vitamin C can also help reduce the risk of chronic diseases by combating oxidative stress and inflammation. This essay delves into the vitamin C content of kiwi and oranges. On average, a medium-sized kiwi contains about 71 milligrams of vitamin C, while a medium-sized orange provides around 70 milligrams. Although the difference is slight, it's interesting to note that kiwis have a slight edge over oranges in this regard. We will explore their additional health benefits and determine which fruit emerges as the winner in this nutritional showdown. Beyond vitamin C, both fruits offer a range of other nutrients. Kiwis are rich in dietary fiber, vitamin K, vitamin E, and potassium. Oranges, meanwhile, are an excellent source of fiber, vitamin A, and several B vitamins. Get ready to discover the surprising answer. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the world of these two powerhouse fruits and uncover which one truly deserves the crown in the vitamin C showdown. The mighty vitamin C, why we need it. Vitamin C is a true superhero for our health. This essential nutrient plays a crucial role in maintaining our overall well-being. It strengthens our body's natural defenses against infections. By boosting the immune system, vitamin C helps our body fight off illnesses more effectively. This means fewer colds, faster recovery times, and overall better immune function. Imagine going through the winter season with fewer sick days and more energy to enjoy your favorite activities. But its benefits don't stop there. Vitamin C is also vital for the growth and repair of tissues in all parts of your body. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant, protecting our cells from damage caused by free radicals. These unstable molecules can cause oxidative stress, leading to chronic diseases and premature aging. These harmful molecules contribute to aging and chronic diseases. By neutralizing free radicals, vitamin C helps keep our skin looking youthful and our bodies functioning optimally. Furthermore, vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis. Collagen is a protein that holds our bodies together, providing structure and strength. Collagen is a protein that holds our bodies together. It is the main component of connective tissues such as skin, bones, tendons, and cartilage. It gives structure to our skin, bones, tendons, and cartilage. Adequate vitamin C intake ensures that our body can produce enough collagen to maintain these vital structures. Adequate vitamin C intake promotes wound healing, maintains skin elasticity, and supports healthy joints. So, make sure to include plenty of vitamin C-rich foods like kiwi and oranges in your diet to reap these incredible benefits. Kiwi, a vitamin C powerhouse. Let's talk about kiwi. This small, fuzzy fruit packs a powerful vitamin C punch. A single kiwi fruit, about 70 grams, provides approximately 64 milligrams of vitamin C. To put this into perspective, the recommended daily intake of vitamin C for adults is 75 to 90 milligrams. Consuming just one kiwi fruit can fulfill a significant portion of your daily requirement. But kiwi offers more than just vitamin C. It is a good source of fiber which aids digestion and promotes gut health. Kiwi also contains folate, potassium, and vitamin K. Oranges, a citrus classic. Oranges are often the first fruit that comes to mind when we think of vitamin C. And for good reason. A medium-sized orange, about 140 grams, contains approximately 70 milligrams of vitamin C. This citrus fruit has long been celebrated for its refreshing taste and immune-boosting properties. Like kiwi, oranges are a good source of fiber, particularly soluble fiber, which helps lower cholesterol levels. They also provide a range of other essential nutrients including thiamine, folate, and potassium. Section 5. Beyond vitamin C, other nutrients in kiwi. While vitamin C takes center stage, kiwi fruit boasts a diverse nutritional profile. It is an excellent source of vitamin K, crucial for blood clotting and bone health. Kiwi also provides a good amount of folate, essential for cell division and growth, particularly during pregnancy. Additionally, kiwi contains potassium, an electrolyte that helps regulate blood pressure and muscle function. Furthermore, kiwi is rich in antioxidants including vitamin E and carotenoids, which protect against cell damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Section 6. Beyond vitamin C, other nutrients in oranges. Oranges are not only a good source of vitamin C, but also offer a range of other health benefits. They are rich in antioxidants such as flavonoids and carotenoids. These compounds protect our cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. Oranges are also a good source of fiber, which promotes digestive health and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Moreover, oranges contain folate, essential for cell division and DNA synthesis, and potassium, which supports healthy blood pressure. Section 7. The verdict, which fruit reigns supreme? In the battle of vitamin C, kiwi emerges as the winner. Gram for gram, kiwi contains a higher concentration of this vital nutrient compared to oranges. However, both fruits are excellent sources of vitamin C and offer a range of other health benefits. The best choice for you depends on your individual preferences and dietary needs. If you're looking for a more concentrated source of vitamin C, kiwi is the way to go. If you prefer a sweeter, juicier option, oranges are an excellent choice. Section 8. Incorporating kiwi and oranges into your diet. Enjoying kiwi and oranges is easy and delicious. You can eat them fresh, add them to smoothies, or use them in various recipes. For a refreshing breakfast or snack, slice kiwi and oranges and add them to your yogurt or oatmeal. You can also create a delicious fruit salad by combining kiwi, oranges, berries, and other fruits. Get creative in the kitchen and explore different ways to incorporate these vitamin C powerhouses into your diet. Section 9. A final word on vitamin C. Vitamin C is an essential nutrient that plays a vital role in maintaining our health. It is known for its powerful antioxidant properties, which help protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. This nutrient is also crucial for the growth, development, and repair of all body tissues. It is involved in many body functions, including the formation of collagen, absorption of iron, the immune system, wound healing, and the maintenance of cartilage, bones, and teeth. Both kiwi and oranges are excellent sources of this powerful antioxidant. A single serving of either fruit can provide a significant portion of your daily vitamin C requirement. Kiwis in particular are often praised for their high vitamin C content, which can sometimes surpass that of oranges. However, oranges are more commonly consumed and are also packed with this essential nutrient. While kiwi packs a slightly higher vitamin C punch per gram, it's important to remember that both fruits are incredibly beneficial. The vitamin C content in kiwis can help boost your immune system, improve skin health, and even enhance iron absorption from plant-based foods. On the other hand, oranges are not just rich in vitamin C but also provide a good amount of fiber, which is essential for digestive health. Both fruits offer a range of other nutrients and health benefits. Kiwis are rich in vitamin K, vitamin E, folate, and potassium, while oranges are a good source of vitamin A, calcium, and thiamine. Including a variety of fruits in your diet ensures that you get a broad spectrum of nutrients that work together to support your overall health. Aim to include a variety of fruits and vegetables in your diet to ensure you're getting all the nutrients your body needs. Diversifying your fruit intake can help you avoid nutritional deficiencies and promote better health. Fruits like kiwis and oranges are not only delicious but also versatile. They can be eaten on their own, added to salads, blended into smoothies, or used as toppings for yogurt and desserts. Whether you prefer the tangy sweetness of kiwi or the juicy citrus flavor of oranges, incorporating these fruits into your daily diet can be a delightful way to boost your vitamin C intake. Both fruits are easy to prepare and can be enjoyed in a variety of ways, making them a convenient option for busy lifestyles. Make sure to enjoy these fruits regularly to boost your vitamin C intake and support your overall well-being. By making a habit of consuming kiwis and oranges, you can take a simple yet effective step towards a healthier lifestyle. Remember, a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables is key to maintaining good health and preventing chronic diseases.